Now you might suspect that we want another component for this. We do. Let's go ahead and make a new component that this goes to. I'm going to call it GitHub user. So I'm going to make a new file called capital G, GitHub, capital U, user.js. I'll import React and component from React. I'll make this a class again. Class GitHub, capital U, user extends component. I need a render method that returns some JSX. And I will export default GitHub user. And I'll just put an H1 in here that says GitHub user. And we could go ahead and expect the props to be there. So we saw, well, let's just do this much. GitHub user. Go to my GitHub component. Here's my route for that. Instead of rendering, you entered blah, blah, blah. Let's say component equal GitHub user. I expect red squigglies because I haven't imported it yet. So let's do that. Import GitHub user from / GitHub user. And it says GitHub user in huge letters. Use the back button to go back to just /GitHub. Please enter your username to search on GitHub. Enter one. There we are. Let's look at that component in our React DevTools. Here it is, GitHub user. We see history, location, and match. Under match, we see params. Under params, we see username. So since this route had params in it, preceded by a colon, that will be available to us. Whatever part of the route matched that will be available on match.params. So in this case, match.params.username. And all of that is on a prop. Match is a prop. So inside GitHub user, I could say this.props.match.params.username. And it shows up. So add GitHub user component. Nothing too earth-shattering, but this is new.